registration in 2026 isn't what you think. From January 21, the entire system changes. New format, new rules, and in case you miss the deadlines, you are logged out. So stay with me because I am breaking down each and every single step you need to register without missing up. Hi, I'm Shreya from Shiksha Study Abroad. If you are planning to study abroad this year or the next, TOEFL is your ticket, and the registration process is where most students slip. So let's make sure that's not you.
A dream to chase, a world to explore. Shiksha Study Abroad opens the door. From rankings to streams, we've got it all. Your future's waiting, just make the call.
So first things first, what's changing? From January 21, 2026, TOEFL IBT gets a major update. The test is shorter, more adaptive, and scores will align with CEFR levels. I also have made a detailed video on the new TOEFL format, breaking down each and everything for you. Check it out right now by clicking the I button. TOEFL runs all year, with hundreds of days worldwide and even a home edition option. But there's a catch. Regular registration closes 7 days before the test, and late registration is allowed up to 2 days before with a $40 extra fee. So don't wait till last minute. Ideally, you should book your test 2 to 3 months before your university deadline. Next, head to ets.org/TOEFL and click register for a test. You will need to create or logging into myTOEFL account. This is your control center for everything: booking, rescheduling, checking scores, and even applying for accommodations. Now listen carefully. Your name and your date of birth must exactly match your valid ID passport. If there's even a tiny mismatch, you won't be allowed to attempt the test. Once you're in, pick your test format, either at a test center or the home edition. Then select your date, city, and center. Seats fill really fast during the peak seasons, so book early. If you're going for the home edition, make sure your computer and your room meet the ETS requirements, so no surprises on the test day. Now pay the fee, around 18,000 rupees in India, though it may vary. Once you have paid, you will get a confirmation email with your test details, and it will also show up on your ETS dashboard. If this feels overwhelming, don't worry. At Shiksha Study Abroad, we offer free expert counseling to help you with your TOEFL prep and registration. Click the link in description to check it out. Life happens, so in case you need to reschedule or cancel, you can do that up to 4 days before your test day. Rescheduling costs $60 and cancellation gives you partial refund. Just log back into your ETS account to make any changes. A few days before the test, download your admission ticket and keep it handy. On the test day, bring the exact same valid ID passport you registered with. No spelling errors, no mismatch dates. And if you're taking the home edition, review the room, scan rules so you are ready. Arrive 30 to 45 minutes early at the center or sign in on time at the home edition. After you finish, the scores of the new format will be out in around 72 hours. And your score report will show both the new and old scales until January 2028. So that's the complete TOEFL registration process for 2026. Every step, every deadline, and the new changes that you need to know. If you want free expert help in TOEFL or your entire study abroad plan, connect with us at Shiksha Study Abroad. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Good luck and see you in the next video.
Confused about studying abroad? Don't worry. Get free expert counseling from Shiksha Study Abroad. From SOPs, LORs, university selection to visas, we cover it all. Message us now on WhatsApp at 8377 000 581 for 100% free guidance.